Welcome back to the Heart Program. In this module, we'll be pulling together the concepts we've been learning into a model for mental wellness, the three-legged stool. And we'll also review the top 5 must-have skills from the program. So let's get started. Over the course of this program, we've introduced the skills and strategies for mental wellness, including being more self-aware. Self-aware of what's going on physically in our bodies when we respond to stress, and how our resilience battery affects our ability to deal with stress. Self-aware of how our thoughts affect our stress and emotions with thinking habits, and our tendencies that influence our thinking and our behaviors. And of course, self-aware of what's happening with our emotions to draw attention to things we need to address. And we discussed ways that we can better manage our stress, thoughts, emotions, and actions to support our needs and our goals. Here is another metaphor to explain how all of it works together to support our mental wellness. We can think of mental wellness like a three-legged stool. The combination of the 3 strong legs provides the support needed to maintain the stool in a balanced position. Like a stool, it is possible for our mental wellness to remain standing even if one or more of the legs are a little weaker. And optimal wellness requires 3 strong legs. The legs that support mental wellness are healthy brain chemistry, mental wellness skills, and processing self-limiting beliefs. Let's go over each of these one by one. Healthy brain chemistry. As we learned earlier, our brains are made up of circuits that are activated by chemicals. These neural circuits activate our thoughts, feelings, and actions. This means that the chemical balance and activity in our brains influences what we think, feel, and do. In addition, our thoughts, feelings, and actions produce chemicals which activate or reactivate circuits that influence other thoughts, feelings, and actions. This is how we get the cognitive triangle of influence. It's complex, and the key takeaway here is knowing how we can change our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors by supporting healthy brain chemistry. All of the things we're told will help us, including balanced sleep and eating, physical activity, social interaction, positive engagement in pleasurable hobbies and pastimes that also help us feel productive, and managing how we think about things. All these strategies help us because of their effects on our brain chemistry. When we're really out of balance, medications can help rebalance our brain chemistry. And at the end of the day, the habits we develop to support our daily dose of healthy brain chemistry are the influences that make a real and lasting impact.